Hey everyone, imagine you're a plant detective, ready to uncover the secrets of flowering plants. First things first, flowering plants. And non-flowering plants. Mosses. Mosses don't even have roots. They grow on bark, rocks, or soil and soak up water through their leaves. Ferns. Ferns and mosses make spores instead of seeds. Conifer trees. Conifers do make seeds, but they're hidden inside tough cones. Now let's zoom in on flowering plants. Smelled a rose, munched an apple, admired a sunflower, they bring color, food, and medicine. So, what makes up a flowering plant? Let's break it down from the bottom up. Root system. Roots anchor the plant and soak up water and nutrients. Some roots store food like carrots, stem or trunk if it's a tree. The stem holds the plant up and moves water and nutrients. Leaves. Leaves are the plant's food factories. They use sunlight, air, and water to make food. Photosynthesis, the flower, the star of the show. Flowers come in all shapes and sizes. Petals, sepals, anther makes pollen. Stigma, sticky to catch pollen. Petals attract pollinators like bees. Pollen moves from anther to stigma, pollination. After pollination, the flower often turns into a fruit. Fruits protect seeds and help spread them. Apples, berries, peas in a pod. These are fruits with seeds. Let's try a fun experiment. Have a flowering plant at home or school? Carefully take it out of its pot. Gently wash the roots. Spread it out on paper and stick it in place. Label each part: root, stem, leaves, flower, fruit, or seeds. Press it flat between books for a few days to make a poster. Compare posters. What's similar? What's different? Remember, flowering plants share common parts: roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. Next time you're outside, see how many you can spot.